Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna look at the RS-485 communication, how it works with ESP8266 or Node MCU. And here we have three ESP devices which are connected through RS-485 or MAX 485 communication module. So this one is a master, this one is slave 2 which is written here, and this one is a slave 1, and now it's running just a blink program, and for just showing that the communication does work. This one is powered through this power bank, and these both are powered through my laptop. Here in the master code I just gave the slave ID of each one and address for on and off both of them simultaneously. So it's just a hello world program, so that we can know that the communication does indeed work. So let me show you the code here for the master one. Here's the master. So we use serial software, soft serial. So here are the transmitter receiver pins defined, and here in the next, these are the addresses. So these two addresses are for slave 1. Here the address number 1, this will on the LED, and this address will off the LED, and these two are for the slave 2. So here these are just the software serial pin definitions and baud rate. So let me come to the loop. So here I just the D pin or the data enable pin, I just triggered it high. I print the 1, the slave ID 1, the slave address 1, and I'll give the address 1 to on, and then I print 2 for the slave address 2, and I have to give the address number 3 to on, and then flush this, and then low the pin, and I have just triggered 13 number pin, which is this LED to turn on. So to show that these all are just working simultaneously as a blink program. And if we look at to the slave code, this is the slave code number 1, and let me go to the top. So both of the codes are same. This is a soft serial library here, and these are the pin definitions. And if I go to the what you can say loop, so here if the RS-485 serial is available, then what it does, it will get an integer from that communication. So it will get an integer from RS-485 serial communication and save it in a slave, and then what it does, it will read a byte value which will be stored in receive address, and then what it does, it will see if the ID is equal to 1, as which are given in the master code is equal to 1, then what it does, and if the receive address is 11, and if I see this one is 11 for slave 1, so what it does, it will just low the LED, and if the receive address is 111, or in the master code here 111, then what it does, it will just pull the pin high, and that's how these are. And the exact same code will be for the slave 2, just I have to put here where it is, sorry, I just slave 1, I'll put just 2, and this exact code will run as a slave number 2. And the addresses, these addresses, on and off addresses, will be different as shown in the master code, like this one 10 and this one 111 and 1 for the on and off code. So this is just a demonstration how this works, and I have just designed I have just built these at my home so that it is work. And one thing for sure, the ground is common for both of them. these are the ground and which are common for all of them. If I just disconnect one slave, I have disconnected this slave, but this one does really work. It is still in the sync with the master. And if I just turn it on, let me show, and it get in the sync with the master. But what will happen if I just put the master shut, and yeah, those slave just hang up and didn't do anything. So let me yeah, the master came on and all in the sync again. So this is just a pretty small demonstration of how RS-485 communication works, and I'll be posting a detailed video showing you. I want to just implement this RS-485 communication in a textile industry. Just wanted to see, yeah, this stuff works there, or I'll have to go around 30 node with a single master, and that master will hopefully get the data to the PLC stuff. This is just industrial stuff working on the background, programmable logic control, and hopefully it just works. So on my behalf and my setup, it is working, and this is how it really does. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos.